Hello Adrian, it's Rob here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Harley-Davidson Street Glide with a 7,900 kilometers on it. The price is 25,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle comes fully certified and is ready to go. It has some upgrades on it. The flatboards are modified, the engine covers, the toe shifter and the heel shifter. The passenger foot pegs are modified as well. The passenger quick release backrest and the luggage rack. It has some chrome at the back. This is a TAB tab exhaust on it. Sounds just amazing. This easy to open bags. Some upgrades over here. That's the mileage in kilometers. Has a shorty windshield on it, LED headlights, cold air intake. The bike is just perfect. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901 extension 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.